Alright guys, so Peyton and Brian put up your answers for 7 and 8. Does anybody have any questions about those? No? Y'all okay? Alright, what's it say we're doing after math workshop? Reviewing what? The ACT problems we did yesterday. That is correct. So grab those real quick. And let's go over those. I'm going to give you the answers and go over any ones that we need to go over. Alright, so yesterday we said we were not going to waste our time doing what on number 4 first?
Reading the whole.
We're not going to waste our time reading the whole question because if you notice, number 4 was like really, really easy, right? Okay, so Gage, can you read me just the question for number 4? Just the question. Just the question down at the bottom.
What types of music does A6 respond?
Okay, so guys, where's the only place you see an 8 at?
Between rap
Between rap and rock, right here. Do you see how much time you would have wasted by reading all of that stuff at the very beginning? Like, you probably would have wasted a whole minute. And that's a whole problem that you could have done by reading all that. So, what's my answer between rap and rock? J. Did I get it good? Yeah? No? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I didn't think we had a front seat.
You kind of do. You kind of do. I know you two. I love you two, but I know you two. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I want you to pass. Don't start it. Don't even start it, because you know you instigated him, probably. Alright, number 5. Here we go. Now look, guys, number 5 is an extremely easy problem, but it is also very commonly missed because of these little guys right here. What are these little guys called? Which means it does what? Makes it positive. Now here's what y'all do. Y'all want to say 2 plus 9. That is not what that says. That says 2 minus 9. What's 2 minus 9? Negative 7. Then once you get your answer, what do you do with your answer? Make it positive. So that becomes 2 times 7. Y'all okay with that? Alright, what else can I do? Well, I'm going to do parentheses first. Make my life easier. Anything else you see? Multiplication. Come on, y'all, wake up. Y'all with me today? Come on. It's only Tuesday. What's the answer? Negative 4. E. Very good. Y'all okay? All right. The last one, number 6. Now, you are not allowed to use a ruler on the ACT. However, you have a few things that you could use at your discretion. Kenan, can you read me just the question on number 6, please, sir?
If it can be determined at what point the grass intersects.
Guys, what's the word intersect mean? When you come to an intersection at a road, what's it mean?
Cross.
When they cross, right? So you go figure out where these lines cross. Now, if you cannot draw that line straight, you have a few things that you can use on the ACT. What could you use to help draw that straight line? Another pencil, right? Another sheet of paper, right? You can use the booklet. You can use the booklet. You can use a pencil. What else would you have with you that you could use? A what? Well, yeah, I guess you could use your finger. That'd be kind of awkward and hard to do that, though. Ah, it's a calculator. You can use a calculator. The side of the calculator, right? The case of it. You can help it to guide your pencil. All right, so about where do those intersect? 1 and 4. Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you realize that the X comes first and then the Y, and they were even nice. Look, bless you. They told you what the X and Y axis was. Are y'all okay? All right, here's a little tidbit I want you to put in your brain. You ready? You ready to listen? Okay, look at this question, this answer choice right here. Okay, don't look at my messed up nail. Let's use this one. What's that say? According to ACT, I went to a workshop this summer. According to them, this is a very, very seldom answer, meaning that you do not normally pick this as an answer, okay? So if you're kind of going through and like you're making an educational guess, very, very rarely is this your answer. Does that mean that it's never your answer? No, just rarely. Y'all okay? Do you get that little tidbit in your head? Y'all good? All right, here we go. So from there, what are we going to do next? What page is on your notes? 7 and 8. There you go. I have not forgot about your homework. Don't worry, it's coming. And I haven't forgot about your checkpoint either. Not yet, but we are going to turn that in. Yes, sir. Not right now, though. All right, here we go. You ready? Let's see. Matthew, can you read us just the directions? All right, what in the world does it mean to go from an algebraic expression to a verbal expression? You're going to write what you see from a word to a number, right? You got to go. Does that make sense? Y'all okay? All right. Remember your partners? Do you see your partner? Look at your partner. See your partner? Got them in your head? Yeah? Move to your partner, and we are going to work numbers 1 through 8. 1 through 8. Move to your partner. Let's work 1 through 8. Get up, stretch around, do what you need to do, find your partner, let's get going. They're working their number right close. Right over there. Right board. You might want to find a partner for it. Okay, yes, sir. And then have one. Okay? Or is it too deep to find another group that comes to read? That's fine. Let's do that, okay? Yes, dear. Normally, especially because if they're negative, we want that parentheses to be relative number, not the exponent. Because if it's negative, when you plug in a calculator, it's going to get something different. So if it's a square outside. Yeah. But you really don't even have to use parentheses for this one because you don't know what it is. You don't know what it is. So you just put it in. But it's not wrong. Yes. Okay, and then All right, Wyatt, can you tell me what you got for number 1? What'd you get for number 1, baby?
4x squared minus 6.
Perfect, perfect. All right, check your answers as we go, okay? Awesome, awesome. That looks good. That looks good. Yeah. All right. What about number 2? What y'all get for number 2?
4x cubed plus 2.
Perfect. Okay. Do you see how my constant, the 2, is in the back? Constants almost always go in the back. Okay. What about number 3?
3 minus x.
3 parentheses. X minus, oh wait, hold on a minute. What in the world told me to do parentheses on this one? 3, you can't do 3 times the difference, right? Does that make sense to everybody? So that's what told you to do parentheses. Does that make sense? Y'all okay? That's like an arrow looking, I don't know what that is. That would give you an error in the calculator. All right, now number 4 is different. What does it say first? 15 less. What does that mean? Minus 15. Make sure the 15 goes in the back, okay? Then what's it say? What? Quotient. What the world does that mean? Oh, that's right. That just means division, right? And what goes on the top? And the bottom? Wait, do I have to use X every single time? No. I could use a W for Wyatt. I could use a G for Gage and Gabe. I could use, who else I got? I got an M for Matthew, right? It doesn't matter the letter. You can use whatever letter you want to. Y'all good? All right, number 5. Do you see a problem that is already written out for you on 1, 2, 3, or 4 that you could kind of use to cheat a little bit for number 5? No, number 2 has addition. This one has subtraction. Number 1, or you can just change that one word. That's right. Okay, so let's look at number 1. What does number 1 say? Okay, so can I use pretty much the same thing here? What would I say here? A number squared and 9, you said? Okay. Oh, hold on a minute. This one's an equation. It's got an equal sign. The other ones were expressions. How am I supposed to write that?
Is 72.
Is 72? Or how else could I write it? Equal to 72. Either one is right. Are y'all okay? All right, what about number 6? What'd y'all get on number 6?
Can you go back up?
Yes, I'm sorry. What y'all write on number 6? The difference between would be a good place to start. There you go. All right. What would you say from there?
5 times the number.
5 times the number.
Minus the numbers cubed.
Very good. 5 times a number and the same number cubed. Very good. Wait, how do I know it's the same number? I don't even know what the number
It's
is.
the same variable.
Because it's the same variable, Kenan. Very good. And then do you want to write is 12 or you want to write equals 12? What do you want to write? Does it matter? No, which one? Well, let's just do equals since we already did. There you go. There you go. Pertains to having the same thing. All right. What about number 7? What am I going to do there? There's a couple of different options there. Brianna? Very good. Did anybody have anything different? Nobody had anything different? You all had the exact same thing? You're all robots? Wow. What you got, Jesse?
The sum of the quotient, sum of the quotient of a number and 4 and 8 is equal to -.
Very nice, very nice. That's very good. Anybody have another one? Nobody else? All right, what about number 8? Last one, number 8. What you got, Kenan?
6 times the difference of a number and 2 equals 14.
Perfect. 6 times the difference. Y'all write out number. I'm just trying to do this real fast. You said equals 14? Is that what you said? Is 14 equals the same thing. I just want to make sure I wrote what you said. Are y'all okay? Anybody lost? Pretty easy stuff, right? Okay, now look, let's talk real quick. We have not done any Algebra 2 yet. This is just a review from Algebra 1. So if any of this stuff is like ridiculously foreign, like you have no idea what I'm talking about, please come talk to me so that we can talk about either some more tutoring options or a different class option or something for you, okay? Please come see me, okay? Because it's going to get a little crazy here in a few weeks. Are y'all okay? But I think most of y'all are good on this stuff, right? This is pretty easy stuff. All right, here we go. Let's go to the next page. Go. Page 8. Oh, what do the directions tell you to do on this page? Wait, whoa. What solve mean? Answer. Answer what? Okay, 7. There's an answer. How do I solve the equation?
Find the variable.
What variable are we looking for number 1?
Y.
Y. What are we looking for number 2?
E.
Oh my gosh, I got decimals on number 3. But it's okay, you got a calculator, right? If you don't have a calculator, go get one. Oh, number 4. Oh, Lord. Wait a minute, do you remember the trick that I taught you on Friday about fractions?
Multiply them all by the same.
Uh-huh. You might want to find that problem that we did on Friday, okay? So here we go. We're going to do 1 through 6. 1 through 6, go. 1 through 6, go. Find your partner. 1 through 6. 1 through 6. think I saw one person that got that one wrong, though. Now to put up number 2 for you. Check your answer on number 2, but I don't think I saw one person that had it wrong either.
No, it's just random days. She went through all the slides. You didn't read your notes.
Gage, don't instigate. All right. Does anybody need a minute on 1, 2, and 3? Can I slide this up? Wait. You check them? What's wrong?
You want me like just the answer like short?
Wait. Brayden, why'd you add these two?
Yeah, how do you get the right
How'd you still get the right answer? Yeah. Okay. Hold on a minute. We're not going to add those. Garrett, you better not just be copying.
I mean, I was.
All right, Brayden, look. So we're going to do 0.5 minus 1, which is negative 0.5, which you had right. All right, then we're going to subtract 0.6. You okay so far? That's where we got, this will be negative 1.1c. Then subtract, you still get 1. There we go. All right, Kenny, you gonna put up 4? 4 first.
You might show all the work.
Please. You can bring it over. Bring it over. You don't have to work as much. Alright, so number 4, you should have gotten 6. What was the common denominator that he multiplied by for all 4 of them? 12, right? Doesn't that make your life so much easier? Alright, y'all okay on 4? Yes, no, baby? Alright, last 2. Cameron's putting up number 5 for us. And then Piper, can you put up number 6 for us? Alright, Cameron's going to put up number 5, and then Piper's going to put up number 6.
Okay.
Perfect. Very nice job, Cameron. Alright, Miss Piper, number 6 should be a pretty easy one. Very nice job. Very nice. Wait, on number 6, why did she multiply by 4? What was the whole point of doing that? I divided by 4, right? Y'all good? Anybody lost? Okay, so next we're going to do what? We're going to turn in homework, okay? So here's what I need you to do. Listen. Don't move yet. Listen. 2 things. First thing is, don't move yet. First thing is, I need you to get my desk back in order. Not yet, but in a minute. Not yet. First thing is, get my desk back in order. Second thing is, we need to look at which problems we need to go over, okay? So make a mental note about which ones we need to go over. Do that first. Go. Don't turn in homework yet. Get my desk back in order. And mental note about which ones we need to go over. Page 5 and 6. The rest of page 5, and then 6 was like 1, 2, 4, and 6 or something like that. Is that right? All right. 1 through 6. Are there any on 1 through 6? Number 6. Anything else that we need to go over on 1 through 6? 3?
Number 5, 6.
Number 5.
Unlike the problems we just did.
Do we need to do number 5?
On the problems we just did.
Oh, the problems we just did. What was the answer to number 5 on the ones we just did?
6.
6? Negative 6. Negative 6, that sounds right. Nothing else? Anything else? Alright, here's what we're going to do. We are only going to turn in page 5. We are only going to turn in page 5. So please make sure what should be on the top of your paper first? Your name. And then where should it go? Into the tray. And then we're going to go over these 2. And we're going to go over page 6. And we're going to do homework. Go. Because those 2 somebody needed. So we're going to go over those in detail.
I still don't like school supplies.
Here, unstaple it, and then we'll staple it again. And then when you get your school supplies, then we'll, oh my gosh, how many emails is he going to send me today? Whoa, dude. Hey, you didn't have to do that. Well, yeah. Here, give me the other ones. And you go turn, put your name on it. Give me the other ones. Oh, gosh. Alright, Garrett, here you go. Alright, we got our homework turned in, ready to go? All good? Alright, phones should be put up. Alright, there should be your answer on 3. If you needed number 3, look at number 3 if you needed 3. Do we need to go over number 6 in detail? No, you sure?
Yes.
Positive? Do you want me to put the answer up? No? Anybody want me to put the answer up for 6? Are you positive, Garrett? Absolutely 100%. Well, let's just put the answer up here just to make sure. Oh, hold on. Did I look at that wrong? B, B, A. Yep, I just wrote that wrong. There we go. That should be your answer. Y'all okay? Alright, anything on page... What? No? Anything on page 6 that we need to go over? Anything on page 6?
6.
Which ones did we do? 1, 2, 4, and 6. Is that right? Anybody need number 1? Number 2? Number 4? Number 6? Wait, nobody needs any of them?
I need number 6.
You need number 6. And number 1. We didn't do 3. Okay, let's see. We didn't do 5. Alright, let's see. Here we go. 6 times 4 minus 8 times negative 3 plus 10 times, what did I, D? Negative 1/2. Okay, what's 6 times 4? 24. What's negative 8 times negative 3? Positive 24. What's 10 times negative 1/2?
-5.
Negative 5. There you go. I don't want to distribute. I want to do my parentheses first. So what's 24 plus 24? 48. And then 48 minus 5. 43. And then 5 times 43. 215? Yeah, sweet. All right, and then number 6. What is A? A is 3/4. C was negative 2 cubed minus B was negative 8 squared. D was 3 and G was 1/3. All right, what's negative 2 cubed?
-8.
Oh, yeah, it is. I'm sorry. You right. My bad. I'm sorry. All right, what's negative 8 squared? 64. Y'all okay? All right, what about these two? What's 3 times negative 8? Negative 24 divided by 4 is how much? Negative 6. Now look, what's 3 times a third? What happens to these? They cancel out. So I just have minus 64. What's my answer?
-70.
-70.
Perfect. Y'all okay? Yeah? All right. What's your homework tonight?
1 through 10, page 11.
Page 11. 1 through 10. You got 5 minutes. Look at us go. We finished 5 minutes early today. Look. Look. All right. So let's talk about this week. Get your calendar real quick before we start on homework. Get your calendar real quick before we start on homework. Calendar. Get your calendar out. Get your calendar out. What is a very significant event that will happen? What day? Thursday, August 17th. You are having a quiz, right? What else is important about Thursday? What else is going on Thursday? That is definitely picture day. It is. Y'all okay? Anybody lost? Okay, here we go. Listen up. You had a checkpoint yesterday. If that checkpoint is not a 100 before Thursday, you cannot take your quiz. You have to have a 100 on your checkpoint before you can take your quiz. We have one more checkpoint. When are we doing that if you're looking at your calendar? Tomorrow. We're doing a checkpoint, right? Y'all okay? Yeah? All right. Both those checkpoints have to be a 100 before you can take your quiz. So when should you come see me?
0 period.
If you need any help, come see me 0 period. You got it good? Y'all okay? All right. You got about 4 minutes left. Start on your homework, page 11. Page 11. You hustle. You get it done. Who wrote this? Mr. Puppet has already done this. Which one's the dark one? Not which one's dark. Did you write that one? He's already won a bunch of trophies. I don't see those. Doesn't mean you didn't deserve another championship this year.
I was putting that calculator on the check. I wasn't distracted here. It was amazing. It was amazing.
You doing it right now?
Is that right?
Make them think about that. Is that right?
Is it 27.6 in the stop? Yeah. But then you get us a fraction. 83 over 3. You don't want to do it to repeat. Equal 10. one calculator left. We're good to go. All right, have a seat real quick. Bell's about to ring.